हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज की वीडियो में हम 7 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 25 इंपॉर्टेंट करेंट अफेयर MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में प्रीवियस डे के करेंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स रहते हैं, जिनके आंसर्स आपको कमेंट करके बताने होते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड as the new MD and CEO of IndusInd Bank for 3 years effective August 25, 2025? And the answer is Rajiv Anand. Second question, who has been appointed as the first Indian CEO of Jaguar Land Rover effective November 2025? And the answer is PV Balaji. Third question, Prime Minister Modi's Pariksha Pe Charcha PPC program recently achieved which notable feat? And the correct answer is Guinness World Record for most registrations. Fourth question, Prime Minister Modi will inaugurate the new Kartavya Bhavan in New Delhi as part of which major redevelopment project? And the correct answer is Central Vista Project. Fifth question, which company has been awarded the rupees 792 crore contract by the Income Tax Department for the PAN 2.0 project to overhaul PAN services? And the correct answer is LTI Mindtree. Sixth question, which ministry's board signed 2 MOUs to protect rare medicinal plants and promote awareness in 2025? And the correct answer is Ministry of Ayush. Seventh question, in which Indian state did VinFast inaugurate its first electric vehicle assembly plant? And the correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Eighth question, which company signed an MOU with IIT Madras in incubated startup TUTR Hyperloop to develop India's first indigenous Hyperloop system? And the correct answer is BEML. Ninth question, what is the name of the first commercial mission of Hyderabad-based Dhruv Space set to launch with Australian firms in 2025? And the correct answer is LEAP first. 10th question, former Jharkhand Chief Minister Shibu Soren, who recently passed away, belonged to which tribe? And the correct answer is Santal. 11th question, Numaligarh Refinery Limited NRL recently signed an MOU with which organization for digital transformation and industrial modernization? And the correct answer is BSNL. BSNL stands for Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. 12th question, which cooperative bank has recently been merged with Saraswat Cooperative Bank? And the correct answer is New India Cooperative Bank. 13th question, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav recently flagged off which new express train from Bhavnagar, Gujarat? And the correct answer is Bhavnagar Ayodhya Express. 14th question, Bluebird communication satellite is developed by which country? And the correct answer is United States. 15th question, which state has the highest population of Mithun, a semi-domesticated bovine species? And the correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. 16th question, how many documents projects were launched in the first phase of the India UN Global South Capacity Initiative? And the correct answer is 4. 17th question. Which organization unveiled the official compilation of Ayurvedic food products classified as Ayurved Ahar? And the correct answer is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. 18th question. Recently, the former governor of which state or UT, Satyapal Malik, passes away at the age of 79? And the correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. 19th question. Which two institutions jointly developed a district flood severity index? And the correct answer is IIT Delhi and IIT Gandhinagar. 20th question. Recently, the Western Railway has restarted its heritage train services on the 115-year-old Patalpani Kalakund line in which state? And the correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. 21st question. Recently, in which district of Uttarakhand a massive cloud burst triggered the flash floods? And the correct answer is Uttarkashi. 22nd question. The Union Health Ministry has awarded the Best State Award in the field of Organ 1 tissue transplantation to Telangana. In which year was the Organ Donation and Transplantation of Human Organs and Tissues Transplantation Act implemented in India? And the correct answer is 1994. 23rd question. Hiroshima Day is celebrated on August 6 to commemorate the atomic bombing of Hiroshima city of Japan. And the correct answer is Little Boy. 24th question. Where has the Urban Afforestation Initiative's Matruvan initiative been launched under the Ek Tree Maa Ke Naam campaign? And the correct answer is Haryana. And the last 25th question. India has conducted its first naval exercise in the South China Sea with which country? And the correct answer is Philippines. तो ये थे 7 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 25 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज के क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे का पहला क्वेश्चन, अ कंप्लीटली न्यू ब्लड ग्रुप इन द वर्ल्ड हैज़ बीन फाउंड इन अ 38-year-old woman फ्रॉम कोलार डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ कर्नाटक which has been renamed as? Second question, from which country did India receive its 16th Airbus C-295 military transport aircraft? Third question, which institute has developed bamboo polymer composite as an eco-friendly alternative to plastic in vehicle interior? Fourth question, India has recently won the test match with the least margin against which team? And the last fifth question, where has India commissioned its first Make in India green hydrogen plant in the port sector? तो इन पांचों क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।